we have got the direction that the Shri PNCM is to be placed under suspension, and the details follow. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. Then they will take suspension, how long, condition, what. But he is being placed under suspension. In view of this, the government, because since he has been suspended, we have to reconsider about the position of the PP meeting in the district council. On the basis of the directive, I have as a president from the PCC, we have called the MLAs, the MDCs, and we have told also that PNCM is not to be invited in view of the directive that we have. The case is against his activities, anti-party activities. 5 MDC resigned. Victor Rani, Hedran Longdo, and then War, then Albinus Singh, and Ban Tay Longdo. Since PNCM is being placed under suspension, we have appointed a new leader. New leader means Shri Manstadi Nongrem is being unanimously elected in the presence, okay, then we have decided like that, and Shri Nongrem is to take over as the leader of the PP in the district council.